Have you fitted a big cam to your LS engine and now it drives like garbage and keeps stalling every time you come to a stop? Don't worry, you're not alone, and our Practical Reflash Tuning course is here to help. While an aftermarket cam is one of the easiest ways of unleashing huge gains in power and torque from your LS, it requires careful tuning if you don't want to destroy drivability and fuel economy. You'll start by learning the fundamentals of reflashing a factory engine control module, along with what software and hardware you'll need to get the job done. From here, our GM LS Big Cam worked example covers everything you need to know in order to optimize your tune for an upgraded cam. In particular, you'll learn how to adjust and optimize the idle parameters to get rock solid, stable idle control, hot or cold. Stalling is going to be a thing of the past. You'll also learn how to correctly adjust the idle parameters without needing to drill holes through your throttle butterfly, which is something many tuners still resort to. You'll also learn the key skills essential for anyone who wants to reflash factory ECUs, including how to calibrate a mass airflow sensor, how to adjust your calibration for larger injectors, and how to remove the MAF sensor altogether and run speed density instead. You'll also learn how to use a scanner to fine-tune your calibration quickly and accurately. Finally, you can follow along with a full worked example where you can watch the HPA 6-step reflashing process being applied as we tune our LS2 engine fitted with a Calford Cams HS108D camshaft. Regardless whether you're a home enthusiast wanting to tune your own engine or you're a professional tuner who wants to provide better results for your customers, this course has you covered. To learn more and enroll, click the link.